Hello and welcome back to the Helmet Head YouTube channel. Now I'm super excited because inside this box is the latest product from Outplorer, and that is a phone cradle for your motorcycle that literally eliminates all of the stress and all the trouble that we have as motorcyclists. No longer buying loads of accessories to make it work and not damage your phone. They've ticked every single box with some serious cool next level technology all built in, and they've even covered that scary thing of having your phone mount actually stolen from your bike with this anti-theft bolt. So they've literally covered everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it, we're going to install it and put it through a real world review and check out all of the features that this has to offer. So let's jump into it and cue the intro. Let's start with the great unboxing. All your items come well packaged. On opening up the box, you'll find your user manual with installation guide. That's easy to read with clear instructions. Next, you'll find a set of spacers, so it's designed to fit any size motorcycle handlebars. The phone cradle feels extremely high quality and really rugged in the hand, made from a metal material. It will take a phone size from 63mm right up to 97mm. It's super easy to adjust between sizes with this fun metal screw. The connecting rod also feels extremely high quality and made from metal, giving it again this really rugged and strong feel, knowing that it's never going to snap. And with a simple thumb screw design for ultra quickness for installation. The handlebar mount with a 1-inch ball is a simple 1 bolt on and off system, while keeping this super quality feel. And that's everything you'll find in the box, so let's move on to installation. First thing to do is take your handlebar mount, decide which spacer you need to put on for it to fit onto the bike, then undo the Allen key, simply put your spacer on, pop handlebar mount on and just tighten the bolt with the Allen key provided, and literally within a few turns it'll be nice and secure on your bike. Now take your connecting rod. All you have to do is undo the thumbnail on the side, slide it over the 1-inch ball. Grab your cradle and simply the same applies. Just pop the 1-inch ball into the other end of the connecting rod and tighten the thumb screw. And then it's really easy to adjust it to make sure you've got the perfect angle by undoing it, twisting it round, tighten it back up. Now it's really simple to pop your phone in and out of the cradle. Simply undo the thumbnail screw and then the cradle will open up, and retighten the thumbnail screw and it will hold your phone nice and secure in place. So let's start here in the real world on a motorcycle, traveling along, and this awesome phone holder. Now straight away you can see this looks like it's moving around all the time, and that's because of the air suspension, the technology built in to the phone cradle. Now what's really cool, if you think of it like this, all truck drivers out there, bus drivers and even more, have air suspension seats, and their seats are doing this the entire time, and that's what this is doing. It's constantly moving, but the actual phone itself is virtually completely still and level the entire time. It's taken out all of that shock from the road. You know, when you're coming down a bumpy road, especially here in the UK, and you feel every bump, every pothole in your car, and trust me, there's lots of them, that is taking all of those bang 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 pressure off of your phone. That's how cool the air suspension technology is with inside this phone holder. So let's look at the quality out here in the real world. Now straight away, as you can see, the quality just looks awesome, doesn't it? It's got this nice thick metal solidness to it. None of this feels plasticky, cheap in any way. Even the screw, the thumb screw on the side, it's got a nice good quality feel to it. Now say for instance you pop your phone in and you go, do you know what, it feels like it's slightly off, if you know what I mean, like it's not right, it's got a bit of sun glare going on. To adjust it, the thumb screw at the back again with this ram mount. Look, this ram mount system, how easy is this? And you can get it in the right position. You go, actually I prefer it just there, like that. Tighten it up and bump, it's done. Really quick and easy, simple to adjust. I can go, I don't like it there, I'm gonna have it a little bit more over here instead. Let's tighten it there, bump, done. So easy. It's such good, strong quality. Heavy duty is the right word. That's going to last you for years. And then swap from bike to bike.
just undo that one bolt, pop that off, pop it onto another, do it back up with the Allen key, and you've moved it from bike to bike. Brilliant. What I really like as well is they've got these nice rubber pads on each side of these and on the back, meaning that you're not going to get scratched all around your phone, because let's be honest, we've got £1,000 iPhone and some people's cost even more on this holder. That's what this holder is protecting, £1,000 worth of kit. So you want that rugged, hard metal, secure feeling to it, but also that gentle rubber pads to make sure that it doesn't scratch or tear your phone apart. Between everything they've got here sorted, your phone's 100% protected. You're never going to lose your camera. It's never going to be vibrated to the point where it's just a blurry shot that you're seeing so many people's complaints about phone holders on motorcycles. You know it's solid metal, so it's gripping your phone nice and tightly the entire time, so it's not going to go anywhere. And then what's so nice about having my phone nice and secure is I can now use it for my satellite navigation. If somebody's trying to give me a call while I'm going along, yes, I'll answer it using my comms, but I can see who's calling me, just in case someone's phoning you, you know, a sales call, or somebody you don't want to speak to starts ringing. You go, yeah, I don't want to answer that right now, I'm having too much fun riding my bike. You can actually see it's of answering, going, who's this? And then having to deal with that makes life even better. But yeah, I love how rugged and strong this is. And then of course, one of the most important things in the world is ease of use. Popping into a petrol station after filling up or grabbing a drink, you just want to be able to jump off your bike. You just want to be able to simply grab your phone out of your holder without the faffing around of having to undo elastic bands like on some of the cheaper ones, and just go in and grab yourself that drink that you've been waiting for. Then likewise, once you're back, all you want to be able to do then is just walk up, slot it in, tighten it up, and you're good to go. That's easy.
How seriously cool is this? Seriously cool. The point that I no longer have to buy special cases to fit my latest phone to be able to put it on my bike. No more me worrying about my camera being absolutely damaged to pieces from vibration. Just quick, easy and simple to use. Just brilliant. Exactly what I've been looking for, and I'm sure it is for you as well. So to pick up your Outplorer handlebar mount kit, there is all the information that you need down in the description, and including the latest discount code. So pop down there, click on that and grab yours today, because you're not going to be disappointed. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out any of the latest tech in the motorcycle space. And most of all, if you've got a friend that you think is going to enjoy this product, share this video with them so they can see it in action and how good it is. And hopefully you've all enjoyed watching this, and if you have, I can't wait to see you in the next one. So take care, goodbye and ride safe.